Okay, guys, good evening. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Thank you for joining me at this time. And to be honest with you, I like doing this kind of in the late of the day, already mentioned to some of you, because it's nice. I'm kind of relaxed in terms of the days gone by. So I think I don't need to introduce myself today. I am very, very excited. I am. So we'll start with this. We'll start with this. And let me just do the slideshow. Awesome. You can see my slides, right? So this is a little hint. I don't know whether you recognize this lady or not. This is 7 days. She's a very close friend of mine, and she is one of the leaders in LifeVantage. Of course, this slide is done by her permission as well as approved by LifeVantage compliance. So why am I so excited to talk to you about GlowStack? Well, let's admit it, it's finally in Canada. Finally, it's in Canada. However, let me tell you this. To me, GlowStack is not about the skin. No, it's not. To me, it's a whole lot more, because there are massive concepts in it. The number one is, as we know, there are different theories of aging. There are two major theories of aging. Is it's an oxidative stress, or basically generating the cellular garbage that we cannot clean. And the second concept is mitochondrial decline. And mitochondria is an essence of life, but both two are connected, because mitochondria is the major B of the cells, the most hardworking element of the cell, to give us energy, to give us life, to control our genetic material, to control and get rid of some garbage that we don't need. And when it's aging and it's dysfunctional, and it is basically connected with that otherwise cellular stress. Now, the second part of it is this: the framework of our body. The framework of our body is collagen. So here in this slide, you see collagen in the bone, collagen on the cartilage, collagen in the blood vessels. Well, this is more kind of, more intense picture that tells you that our framework, the collagen, is everywhere. As you see, surprise, it's in the brain, is the framework, spinal cord, nerves, and a whole bunch of other tissue. Now, if I can only move the slide. So when I started hearing about collagen in LifeVantage, I went, pardon my language, I went bananas. Because I thought, you got to be kidding me. Why do we need collagen? And the market is saturated and it doesn't work. Till I discovered, no, we're not talking collagen. We're talking collagen peptides. And now there are many different companies. Well, the collagen market is saturated, and a lot of it is, it's not working. Why is it not working? Collagen, because when you consume, let's say, collagen supplements, the molecule of collagen is just too big. It is not absorbed. So it's not absorbed, it's not digested, so you're excreting it. So how? Now, considering that collagen is so important for our body for this friendship. So how can we, and then there is a correlation. The first slide, the second slide showed something that was said, fibroblasts. So collagen helps to work fibroblasts, or maybe helps to synthesize fibroblasts. And fibroblasts are the cells that lay down collagen. So now, what is the concept of proper collagen foundation? Why collagen peptides? Because collagen is a huge molecule that consists of fragments, which are called peptides. They are sort of, chopped down fragments of that huge molecule. And these chopped fragments, they contain, let's say, between 3 to 100 amino acids. What are the amino acids? There's a protein, something that we can, in simple words, we could call protein composition and protein components, or the foundation of everything, of our cells, of our enzymes, of basically the foundation of metabolism. So when are we talking collagen peptides or amino acids combined into these groups of 3, let's say, to 100, that is becoming bioavailable and bioabsorbable. Then the question is, how do you break it? What is the process? Again, so here comes the quality of the product. So how it is processed, how is it chemicalized? Are you using chemicals to do it? Or you using natural product? Or you using an alcohol to break it down? Or you're using natural process, which is called hydrolyzation, or basically, in a sense, boiling it and maybe applying a normal, let's say, hydrochloric acid and breaking it into this collagen peptides. So when you are digesting them, they're actually bioavailable. Then you start analyzing what is the source. And again, there's a debate going on which one is better. So there's porcine collagen, there's bovine collagen, there is fish-derived collagen, and then there is something that is called vegan collagen. Well, let me put the thing on a vegan collagen. Sorry, there is no such thing as a vegan collagen. Collagen is an animal-derived product. There's a composition of amino acids that comes from the algae or from the plants that resemble collagen. It doesn't work like it. It doesn't work like nature designed it. So, so to me, as again, I may be controversial, but to me, vegan collagen should be renamed, not into the collagen. Some vegan collagen analog peptides. Now, what separates us? Now, how many collagens in multiple tissues that I showed you does exist? There are 29 different types of collagen. Now, there are very good collagen peptides on the market. What separates us? What separates us is this. The majority of good collagen/collagen peptides contains 2 collagen types, as collagen 1, type 1, and collagen type 2, or collagen peptides times 1 and collagen peptides times 2. Where do they allocate those collagens? That's why everybody is talking skin, because collagen type 1 and collagen type 2 are skin predisposed. Collagen type 1 is also bones. Collagen type 2 is also joints. So that's why when you look into the market and you see collagen or collagen peptides, they're talking about the skin results, and they're talking about joints and the bones. I told you that our liquid collagen or collagen peptides to me is not about the skin, considering that we have 10 types of collagen. So which are laying down the specific collagen of the blood vessels and the retina and skin and the heart muscle and a whole bunch of other stuff. That is why, in conjunction with reduction of cellular garbage of oxidative stress, that's why we are seeing such great results. Now, we started with the foundation of the cellular wellness, aka reduction of the free radical damage or the oxidative stress, and our foundation in LifeVantage is NRF2 activator, NRF2 synergizer per tandem, which we know reduces oxidative stress by 40% in 30 days. Now, what is NRF2? NRF2 is the master regulator of cellular health, and it is a protein complex that controls all the pathways of cellular detoxification. That's how important it is. And that's how important to activate and upregulate it and maintain it so we feel functional. The most important thing for us is to feel healthy and functional. Now, let's say here, so basically what it does, NRF2 goes into the nucleus and turns on those detoxification genes. The activation of these detoxification genes, and I gave you three major ones. One of the major ones like SOD, superoxide dismutase, HO, hemoxygenase, and glutathione, the master antioxidant. If you turn on the genes, do you think your glutathione is going to go up if you don't have the substrate? So now your SOD and stuff, they are enzymes. What are the enzymes? Enzymes is a composition of different amino acids. Guess where do these amino acids come from? They come from what we consume. Some of them come from what we make, which are called non-essential amino acids, but some of them come from what we consume, aka that come from collagen. So look at this, HO contains 288 amino acids. Glutathione contains those three exactly on the right hand of the slide. These are the amino acids that our liquid collagen has. And then SOD contains 151 amino acids because they repeat and stuff. So what happens is you activate your NRF2 via NRF2 synergizer per tandem. You turn on the genes. Now the genes start making commands to the cells. Okay, start making these enzymes, SOD, glutathione, liquid collagen provides the substrates. That's number one. Number two, liquid collagen provides the foundation to the fibroblasts to lay down collagen in different types of cells. Now, what happens is, please forgive me. So what happens is, LifeVantage conducted the study, which I like. Despite that this is not, let's say, human study, we can't, but it is based on human normal fibroblasts. It is a genetic study, you cannot fudge it. It means this is what we do with the cells. We feed them or treat them with liquid collagen, True Science liquid collagen. There's control group, there's a study group, and then everything is sent in the computer, so you cannot fudge the data. So what you see here is fascinating. So what the study did on normal cells, we're not using different altered cells. The normal cells show that, yes, We claim that NRF2 synergizer per tandem upregulates the antioxidant genes. That it proved it. We proved that liquid collagen mostly does immune modulatory pathways, but what we did, what the study proved, that when you take two of them, the results are extraordinary, because the effects of immune modulatory pathways are huge in combination of two products. And then you will see the later on slide, which I'm showing you, on what Canada Health allowed us to claim. And as you see, the upregulation of the immune modulatory pathway occurred in 21% of the genes. So that is very important, and it is very significant. As you see, this is an exciting discovery that shows amazing results combining NRF2 synergizer, protandimal liquid collagen. Using both products together can deliver not only skin benefits, exactly what I'm saying, but impact the whole body, connective tissue framework, the foundation health. This could support various functions and systems throughout the body: joint health, cardiovascular health, gut health, general well-being. That is awesome. Now, let's get, so you got the idea. Now, I mentioned that liquid collagen or collagen peptides, that's why it's liquid, because it's broken down in these peptides. Now, there is bovine, there is porcine, and there is fish-derived. And the thing is, I personally like fish-derived, because to me it's more bioavailable and bioabsorbable, and it also brings a whole better benefits, because it's coming from actually fish skins, it comes from carcasses, so something that contains even fish oils is those amazing omegas. Now, what else? So now I showed you this study that was done by LifeVantage. This actually came from the clinic, from the dermatology center in San Francisco, from the practice of Dr. Zand. She is a Harvard grad, Columbia Fellowship, she's got more credentials than I do. And she used True Science liquid collagen on a cohort of her patients to prove that there's an increased collagen density by 42%, reduced depth of crow feed by 22%, reduced skin roughness by 10%, increased, okay, fine, and increased catalase level, prevents collagen breakdown, increased skin moisture, and improves skin elasticity. So this was, you can say, clinical observation by Dr. Zand. Now, Canada. In Canada, we introduced a little modification to the liquid collagen formulation. We are using lycopene, and if you recall, lycopene comes from tomatoes, and where is lycopene so important? It is critically important in men's prostate health. They're just offside. Meantime, it's amazing. It is an NRF2 activator. It has antioxidants, increased antioxidants. It contains a whole bunch of vitamins. And as you see, induction of complicated, but it's basically induction of antioxidants. You see glutathione, GCS. And it reduces MMP, something that breaks collagen. We don't want that. Now, the second thing is, so this is the study that was actually done by us. As you see, breakdown collagen is reduced by 50 with this lycopene, and production of collagen, increase of function of collagen gene is increased by 125%. The second change is we use blueberry and spinach. I love both. Why? What is blueberry? Blueberry is a superfood, massive superfood with polyphenols and anthocyanins. So it's like, you know, health galore. Spinach not only gives us chlorophyll. What's a chlorophyll? It's a hemoglobin of the plant, but it also gives us nitrates. It gives us, and from nitrates, it's going to give us nitric oxide. It gives us vitamin C. It gives us vitamin Bs. It's great, amongst others. So these are additions. So from here, same. So with this, this panel, so collagen absorption. So the other one, let's say lycopene, increases the collagen laid down, and it increases the production, improves the collagen gene to make more collagen. Let's say combination of blueberry and spinach allows the absorption. So now from here, we are going to stop share this, and I'm going into a different presentation. So now let me add this. So now, guys, this was kindly, this stack was kindly given me by LifeVantage Canada. We discussed that key ingredients: collagen we discussed, lycopene we discussed, blueberry and spinach we discussed. What we didn't discuss is this: no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, GMO, non-GMO, dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free. Approved claims. We are very, very unique because we are allowed to say that it helps to reduce joint pain associated with osteoarthritis. Of course, it's a source of antioxidants, source of essential and non-essential amino acids for the maintenance of good health, source of I said that. Now, so this is a little bit of a comparison between American and Canadian. And the rumor has it, guys, off the record, it seems like that we may be luckier than them. Now, let's get into nitty-gritty. So if you want to order it once, it's that price. But if you want to stay on it, it's $194.99. So considering that it's over $150, it's free shipping and handling. And whoever is on True Science Liquid Collagen from the States, you obviously know that that wasn't the case with every shipping and handling from the United States. Now, let's look at the glow stack. This is your retail, this is your subscription, and this is your volume. So now there is another thing which is called Healthy Glow Consultant Stack. So if you would love to become a new consultant or a business builder, so that's what it is. So 3 of the liquid collagen and 1 of the NRF2 Synergizer per tandem. No, sorry, I'm lying. So 30 days supply of a True Science liquid collagen plus 10 days supply and 1 bottle of NRF2 per tandem. However, now look at this. Okay. So now it starts on the 21st of November, but Collagen Cash. Earn an additional $20 Canadian for every order of liquid collagen 30 days if you sell to personally enrolled customers from November 1st to January 31st. And the second one is, as I said, it started November 21st. Let me stop sharing and get to the opportunity. Guys, I told you it's very exciting to me that liquid collagen is in Canada. I have my personal story in liquid collagen. My husband has a story in liquid collagen. And obviously, we're going to change our subscription to optimize everything. Now, with the business opportunity in LifeVantage, I had my meeting today with my financial advisor, and the first thing he asked, what do you need to make you comfortable in your retirement? And we discussed LifeVantage. In the last few months, I keep saying that in the last few months, few of my LifeVantage friends were diagnosed with cancer and advanced cancer. And guess what's helping them? Oh, they are, don't get me wrong, they're on conventional therapy and stuff, but let me put it this way. They are on proper integrative care that requires a lot of funds. And thank you to LifeVantage, thank you to that business opportunity that gave them the chance to get therapy, to get treatment the best possible way from best possible clinics. They're fighting. They're not out of the woods, but they're fighting. When you get a sentence 4 to 6 weeks, and then you go into this and you're fighting and you're better. Not far from, not out of the woods, but with these funds, it gives you such a freedom. So if we have guests on this Zoom, if you have any interest in A, getting the product, and B, joining our amazing team, please go back to someone who invited you, talk to them about the benefits, how it works, how does the compensation plan work? And mind you, please come and join us on December 1st and on December 2nd, when one of the best LifeVantager, one of the best consultant is coming to visit us from United States, our amazing Sean Poe, as well as a Canadian regional manager is coming, and our account manager is coming. So December 1st and December 2nd, it's all announced, all the guests are free. So that's about it, guys. So let me just stop the recording.